In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run income by customer report in QuickBooks Online. This report shows you how much revenue each customer brought in over a specific period, which is great for spotting your top accounts, tracking trends, and confirming that all sales have been captured. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. From the home page, head to Reports. Depending on your layout, you might see a Reports button on the main screen, or you can select Reports from the left navigation. Either way brings you to the Reports page where you can search and browse. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar and type the word Income. In the results, find and open Income by Customer Summary. This loads a summary view that lists each customer with a total income amount. By default, it may show a standard date range, so let's tailor it to what you need. To refine the report, click Customize in the upper right. This opens the customization panel where you can narrow the results. Start by opening the Customer section. Here, choose the specific customers you want to include, or leave it set to All to See Everyone. You can select one customer for a focused view, or multi-select a group if you're reviewing a particular segment. Next, adjust the report period. Open the report period menu to pick a preset such as this month, or last quarter. If you'd rather be precise, use a custom range. Set the From date to define when the period starts, and then set the To date to define when it ends. The From field marks the first day of the window you want to analyze, and the To field marks the last day. Make sure the range covers all the invoices and sales receipts you expect to see. As you change the customer filter and date range, the report updates to reflect your selections. If it takes a moment, allow it to refresh. When it finishes, review the totals by customer. This view helps you verify revenue concentration, compare performance across clients, and quickly spot any gaps that might suggest missing transactions. If something looks off, double-check that you selected the correct customers and that your report period isn't too narrow. Also confirm that you're in the right company and that your dates match your intended analysis window. And that's it. You've opened the Reports area, searched for Income, launched the Income by Customer Summary, customized the customer filter, and set the report period with a clear From and To date to get exactly the insights you need.